Hello everyone! Today we're going to read Spot Bakes a Cake, written by Eric Hill and published by Puffin Books. It's your dad's birthday on Friday, Spot. Let's bake a cake. We have to go shopping. I need some cheese. Can you find a bar of chocolate, Spot? Dad loves chocolate cake. Now we can make the cake. We've already started. Spot, that's enough. Whee! The cake is in the oven. Help me to clean up, Spot. I am helping. Can I decorate the cake yet, Mum? It's ready now. Go easy on the icing, Spot. This is the best part. This will be a nice surprise for your dad, Spot. Happy birthday, Dad! Happy birthday, Sam! Did you make the cake, Spot? It's lovely. Thanks, Dad. Mom helped a bit. And that's the end of story time. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe today to English Lessons Online. Goodbye.